From Elon Musk to Bill Gates to the Rockefellers, there's a surprising pattern among billionaires. Most of them built at least 9 streams of income by the time they hit their prime. This isn't just a coincidence. These income sources aren't random, they're carefully chosen to create financial stability, freedom, and exponential growth. And the best part? You don't need millions to start building them for yourself. In this video, I'm breaking down the 9 streams of income that most billionaires have mastered and showing you how you can begin to incorporate these strategies into your life to move closer to financial independence. Let's dive in. 1. Business ownership. Owning a business isn't just an option, it's the starting point for most billionaires. Jeff Bezos began with Amazon as a small online bookstore, and look at it now. It's a global powerhouse in e-commerce, cloud computing, and entertainment. Elon Musk built Tesla and SpaceX from bold ideas. Sarah Blakely turned Spanx into a billion-dollar brand by solving a simple wardrobe problem. So why is business ownership so essential? A business is more than just a job. It's an asset. It makes money for you, grows in value, and doesn't require you to trade hours for income. And if done right, it can scale far beyond what any 9-to-5 ever could. Focus on solving niche problems. It's often the small, underserved markets that create the biggest opportunities. Remember, the journey to wealth isn't about starting big, it's about starting smart. What small problem can you solve today that might turn into your empire tomorrow? 2. Investments. Letting money work for you. Billionaires don't just work hard, they work smart by making their money do the heavy lifting. Warren Buffett, known as the Oracle of Omaha, is a prime example. He started investing at just 11 years old, buying small stocks that eventually grew into a multi-billion-dollar empire through Berkshire Hathaway. But he's not alone. Bill Gates reinvested much of his Microsoft earnings into stocks and other ventures, while Oprah Winfrey has strategically placed her wealth into emerging industries. Why is investing so important? It's simple. Investments grow your money passively. Thanks to the power of compounding, even small amounts can snowball into significant wealth over time. Think long-term. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Billionaires dedicate time to investing, so why not you? Even small steps today can lead to financial freedom tomorrow. 3. Real estate. Own a piece of the world. Real estate has been a go-to strategy for building wealth for generations. Donald Bren, one of the richest real estate moguls, built his fortune through the Irvine Company by developing and managing properties. It's not always flashy, but it's one of the most steady and reliable ways to grow wealth. Billionaires like Mukesh Ambani, who owns the extravagant Antilia in Mumbai and invests in commercial properties, and Barbara Corcoran, who turned a $1,000 loan into a $66 million real estate empire, prove just how powerful owning property can be. Why is real estate so essential? It's simple. Real estate provides 2 key benefits: steady income through rent and long-term growth as property values increase. Plus, it's a physical asset that can be leveraged for other investments. Think of real estate as a long-term strategy. It might not bring instant returns, but over time, it creates a reliable income stream and builds wealth steadily. Owning even a small piece of the real estate market today can lead to big opportunities tomorrow. 4. Media and content creation, influence and attention. Media isn't just about entertainment. It's a powerful tool for building wealth and influence. Oprah Winfrey is a prime example. She didn't stop at hosting a talk show. She used her platform to create own network, launch book clubs, and establish herself as a household name. The media space isn't limited to traditional outlets either. Michael Bloomberg built Bloomberg LP into a financial media empire, while Jay-Z expanded from music to to founding Rock Nation and Tidal, turning his influence into a multi-industry powerhouse. Why is media so impactful? It doesn't just generate revenue. It builds your voice and influence. And influence creates opportunities for partnerships, collaborations, and expansion into other ventures. How you can get started. You don't need to own a TV network to make an impact in media. Start small and grow. Launch a YouTube channel, podcast, or blog. Share your expertise, tell your story, or entertain an audience. Media thrives on authenticity. Find your unique voice, focus on what you're passionate about, and start building your influence. With time and consistency, your platform could open doors to endless opportunities and maybe even lasting wealth. 5. Consumer goods, selling what people want. Selling products that people need or desire has always been a reliable way to build wealth. Bernard Arnault, the mastermind behind luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Dior, and Givenchy, didn't just sell fashion, he sold identity and status. Sarah Blakely turned a simple idea into Spanx, revolutionizing women's undergarments, while Kylie Jenner built a billion-dollar brand with Kylie Cosmetics by tapping into the beauty market. Why is selling consumer goods so powerful? It's simple. People are always buying. Whether it's essentials or luxury items, consumer goods meet everyday needs and desires, creating a steady and reliable demand. Experiment with drop shipping. If creating products isn't for you, consider selling existing ones through dropshipping, where you handle the marketing and suppliers handle the inventory and shipping. Focus on products people will buy repeatedly. Items with consistent demand, like skincare, clothing, or home essentials, can build a loyal customer base and generate steady income over time. No matter how small you start, offering something people love and need can turn into a thriving business. Instant technology. Innovation as an income stream. Technology has become the fastest route to building massive wealth. Look at Elon Musk. He started with PayPal, disrupted the automotive industry with Tesla, and revolutionized space exploration with SpaceX. Bill Gates transformed personal computing with Microsoft, while Mark Zuckerberg scaled Facebook into a global social media empire. Why is technology such a game changer? It's all about scale. A single piece of software, an app, or a tech product can solve problems for millions, generating recurring revenue and exponential growth. How you can start today. You don't need to be a tech genius to tap into this space. Here's how to begin. You can build a team just like Steve Jobs did. Start small and leverage accessible tools. Platforms like WordPress for websites or AppGyver for no-code apps make it easier than ever to enter the tech space. Technology thrives on creativity and problem-solving. Even the simplest ideas, executed well, can lead to incredible opportunities for growth and wealth. 7. Energy. Powering the world. Energy might not be the flashiest industry, but it's a cornerstone for billionaire wealth. Mukesh Ambani built his empire through Reliance Industries, starting with petrochemicals and branching into green energy. Elon Musk is shaking up the market with innovations like Solar City and Tesla's Powerwall, proving that energy doesn't just fuel the world, it drives wealth too. Even historically, energy has been a game changer. Rockefeller became one of the first billionaires through Standard Oil, while Warren Buffett invests heavily in renewable energy through Berkshire Hathaway Energy. Why is energy so impactful? It's simple. Modern life depends on it. Whether it's oil, gas, or renewables like solar and wind, energy solutions are in constant demand, making them a stable and essential income stream. How you can get started. You don't need to own a power plant to get involved in the energy sector. Here's how. Learn the basics. Start understanding the energy industry, including emerging trends in clean energy like solar, wind, and electric vehicles. Invest in energy stocks or ETFs. Companies like Tesla or funds focused on renewables can provide exposure to this booming sector. Explore green energy at a small scale. Consider solar panels for your home or support local clean energy projects to learn how the industry operates. Renewable energy is the future. With governments and corporations prioritizing sustainability, investing in clean energy now could lead to significant returns in the years ahead. Energy powers the world, and it could power your path to wealth if you tap into the opportunities it offers. 8. Healthcare. Healthcare is one of the most reliable industries for building wealth while making a meaningful impact. Billionaires like Dr. Patrick Soon-Shiong amass fortunes through biotech innovations, and companies like Moderna and Johnson & Johnson have revolutionized medicine and vaccines. Even Bill Gates has heavily invested in biotech startups while funding global health initiatives. Why is healthcare so essential? It's simple. Health is a universal need. Whether it's medical advancements, wellness products, or fitness solutions, people will always prioritize their well-being, making healthcare a recession-proof industry. How you can get started. You don't need a medical degree to enter this space. Here are a few ways to tap into the growing healthcare market. Explore wellness and fitness products. Consider creating or selling products that promote better health, like supplements, fitness gear, or healthy snacks. Dive into health tech. Develop or invest in apps that track fitness, mental health, or diet. Health technology is a booming sector with opportunities for innovation. Start small with content. Launch a health-focused blog, YouTube channel, or podcast to share wellness tips and build a loyal audience. Focus on emerging trends like personalized wellness, mental health solutions, or sustainable fitness products. These areas are gaining massive traction and offer great potential for growth. Healthcare is more than an industry. It's a chance to improve lives while securing a lucrative and stable income stream. 9. Manufacturing. Manufacturing might not have the glamour of tech or media, but it's a foundation of global wealth. Elon Musk's Tesla factories are redefining how cars and batteries are produced, while Warren Buffett holds stakes in companies like Coca-Cola and Duracell that supply everyday essentials. Tim Cook oversees Apple's massive production of iPhones and MacBooks, proving how critical manufacturing is to meet global demand. Why is manufacturing so important? It creates the tangible products people use daily, from cars and electronics to consumer goods. Manufacturing is consistent, scalable, and essential for modern life. Focus on niche products that solve a specific problem or cater to a passionate audience. For example, eco-friendly packaging, customizable gadgets, or handmade decor are growing markets with loyal customers. Manufacturing is about meeting real-world needs. Whether you start small or think big, creating products people rely on can be your entry into a reliable and scalable income stream. Billionaires don't rely on just one or two sources of income. They build a diversified portfolio that generates active and passive income. The key isn't starting all 9 streams at once. Instead, focus on building one, then another, and another. Over time, these streams combine to create financial freedom and limitless potential.